Hi guys, I'm Shinji. Today I will be showing how I clear this domain of Blasting Stones Chamber 2 more efficiently and also safely. First thing to do, focus on Pyromage. Second thing to focus, dodge the attack projectile from the Cryo and also Hydro Mages behind. And the third thing is to stick close to the Pyromage until Pyromage teleports away. When the Pyromage starts teleported to another nearby mage, use 20 Elemental Burst and let the big AoE from the Elemental Burst to swirl both Pyro and also Cryo from the Abyss Mage's shield. This will create a lot of reactions between the mages and take down the shield as soon as possible. If you don't have Venti, I do suggest you guys to bring Sucrose to do the same thing, but Sucrose to me is a little bit harder to use compared to Venti. However, the Pyromage doesn't always teleport to other mages. If it does not teleport to other mages, just use swirls and other elemental reactions so you can bring down the Pyromage. When they are teleported too nearby to each other, that's the best time you can use the swirl to swirl them together in. Okay, right, first thing first, focus down the fire. Dodge the two eyes. Wait for them to group up. Like that. Nice. Just one thing. Pushing them together. Wait, they all died already. Just the fire one. Why are you so far away? Watch this one. And that's it. This is how easy you can clear this domain until I don't have much thing to talk about. If you guys more video like this, please subscribe and also like the video please, and I will see you next time.